Here I have TCL 306, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So firstly, you will have to open the pre-installed application, which is called Smart Manager. After that, it starts like automatic scan of your device, and if it's optimizable, if there's something to speed up, it will show you this sign optimizable. Just tap here, and after that optimize, and issues on your phone will be cured, fixed, and device will be speed up. You can also make a cleanup of the junk files and some other useless stuff. You can clean memory and stuff like this to speed up your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.